So, um, what's up, chat? How you doing? Good morning. So, we'll be breaking down this trade I took yesterday, 11 p.m. Nigeria time. Because this is probably one of, this is an A plus setup trade that I would take, and even if, it became a loss, I wouldn't even mind it. So, I'll be breaking down this trade, right? This is my Telegram group where I post everything. I post all the trades I take, even my withdrawals. As you can see, I made some withdrawals. I post everything on there, you get me, and I give as much value as I can to people. So now I'm going to be breaking down this chart, right? So this setup happened yesterday evening. After I saw price giving us, giving an indication to the downside. By that I mean, as you can see, this. What is wrong with this thing now? As you can see, this was an indication, right? And when price gives an indication, it normally start correcting before it drops back down. So when I saw price giving an indication, right, I noticed, okay, soon the market is going to start retracing. And what happened was this: when I, came to the lower time frame, I noticed price breaking this, creating a new indication, right? And coming back down to respect this reaction. I remember I told you I trade reaction. Right? So when I saw price, literally came back down here. And I saw price, respecting this previous key level. These black lines are what I call my key levels. If you don't understand what key levels are, then you should join my Telegram. I explain this a lot in my Telegram. So when I saw price, coming back to react to this key level, right? I want to go say 1 minute, man. I normally don't trade 1 minute that much these days. But when I saw price, literally after giving us an indication to the upside, this was a sign that the market was about to start changing trend, and it literally came back, right, and reacted to this key level over here. As you can see, reacted to it, and it came back above and reacted to this key level as well. The moment I saw price reacting to this key level, remember, I said this on my Telegram group a lot to my students who are here. I said this, like, the more price respects key levels, the higher the probability of that trade working. The more price respects reaction, this is a reaction, this is a reaction, this is a reaction, this is a reaction. So when I see price literally coming back to this neckline, giving us a W pattern, this W pattern is an high probability setup alone. This is W pattern, as you can see. Right? The moment I saw price reacting to this level, right, I knew, and it came back down, reacted to this level again 3 times. And I was like, if price breaks back below this level, this is going to be a good freaking trade. And that was what the price literally came back, broke back above the level with the bearish engulfing. If you don't know what bearish engulfing is, I literally use bearish engulfing as my confirmation to get into trade. And this was, where I got into this trade. And I was literally targeting up here and then the overall high. As you can see on this trade over here, this was exactly when I got into the trade. I was risking $10 on this trade, just to for a start. But I'm going to explain this. I'm going to play something here properly. Okay. You need to understand this. The first market is extremely easy, and I'm going to show you this, right? Be patient. So as you can see, when price gave us a new indication, it came back down and reacted to this level. The moment I saw this reaction over here, right? I watched the market and I was like, okay, let's see what price is going to do back above our level. And price literally came back above our level, and it was also reacting to this level, right? This was to show that there were sellers at this level pushing price downward. So price came back down and reacted to this level again. When I saw this reaction, I was like, okay, let's see. Now when I saw price reacting to this level, I was like, let's see if price is going to break back above here. And if price was to break back above here, I was going to ride the trade back up. So as you can see, price literally, let me clean everything. So as you can see, right, price literally came back above and closed with a bullish engulfing right above my entry level, and this was when I entered the trade. Like I said, I was able to get into this trade because of the reaction I saw, because reaction improves my confidence on trades. Reaction literally improves my confidence, and when I see reaction appearing on the chart, I feel very happy. And this is the chat breakdown, and yeah, this is it. You all have a good day. I'm trying to make this chat breakdown as short as possible. Unlike I used to in the past where I record like 10 minutes of just breaking down the chat. It's kind of exhausting. But if you want more explanation, multiple explanation, you can, let me know. And maybe I might make a video on reaction on YouTube. I think that is going to be very helpful for beginners. Alright guys, bye.